India has imposed a new restriction on the import from the Bangladesh through the land ports, affecting goods worth around USD 770 million. This amounts to nearly 42% of the total bilateral imports, according to the GTRI, that is the Global Trade Research Initiative, a trade research group. Also, the Union Ministry of the Commerce and the Industry issued the restriction on the Saturday following the directions from the Directorate General of the Foreign Trade, that is GGFT. This move also limits several key Bangladeshi products, including the ready-made garments, including also the processed foods and the plastic items, to specific seaport, or ban them entirely from entering India via the land routes. For example, Bangladeshi garment valued at USD 618 million annually can now only be imported through the Kolkata and the Nhava Shava seaports. This cut off access through the previously vital land routes and is expected to hit the Bangladesh garment exports to India hard. Trade retaliation amid the diplomatic friction. Let's see. The GTRI report has also said that India's restrictions are not isolated measure. They appear to be a direct response to the Bangladeshis' increased trade barriers against India's export and a shift in the Dhaka's diplomatic focus towards China. This restriction looks like India's response to Dhaka's restricting imports from India on a large number of items and diplomatic pivot towards the China, the reports have stated. The friction also intensified after Bangladeshi interim chief advisor, that is Mohammad Yunus, made the controversial remark during a visit to China. Yunus described India's northeastern states as a landlocked region with no access to the ocean, a comment viewed by the Indian officials as undermining the region's connectivity, according to the ANI reports. Yunus' visit to the China in the March of 2025 resulted in USD 2.1 billion in investment and cooperation agreements, signaling Dhaka's closer ties with the Beijing. The fall of the Sheikh Hasina's pro-India government in the mid-2024 and the rise of the Yunus interim administration have altered Bangladesh regional stance, which India perceives as a growing challenge. Bangladesh trade restrictions on the Indian ports and the goods. The reports have also shown that since late 2024, Bangladesh has introduced a series of restrictions on the Indian export. These include ban on the Indian yarn imports through major land ports since the April 2025, stricter curb on the rice shipments, and the ban on the paper, tobacco, fish and powdered milk imports. Dhaka has also imposed the transit fee of 1.8 taka per ton per kilometer on the Indian goods passing through Bangladesh. According to the Indian sources, these cumulative measures, along with the operational delays and the tighter inspection, have hurt the Indian exporters as well. Bangladesh cannot cherry-pick the terms of bilateral engagement solely to benefit itself or take India's market access for granted.